Ladies and gentlemen, you are in for a treat today. This is Robert Martai's car, otherwise known as Robevo. This man may not be able to speak the best English or type the best English on internet forums. However, he is a rally driving madman. Emphasis on mad. Here we have a 2008 Evo 10. It's his rally car that he runs on NASA. It's got everything it needs to run rally, full cage, the whole 9 yards. The car was built by RKT Motors in New York. It's tuned by Gabor Matre. Has a built motor with Manley H beam rods. It's got CP pistons and the Cosworth rally camshafts. It's got ARP bolts. It's still a 2-liter. It makes 316 horsepower and 480 foot-pounds of torque at 24 psi. It runs Sunoco 104 blue race gas. It's got an XD twin disc HD clutch, AMS CMC kit, the GEMS ECU and the ACD ECU. It's got the ZYX gravel brakes, which you can't really see because he's got these small wheels on it. I believe they are 15s, 195 70 15. It's got Group N gravel suspension by Ryger. It's got a modified rear diff from an Evo 9. It's got a hydraulic handbrake in there, which is currently being held back by a bungee cord, since it doesn't have a ratchet mechanism for parking. It's got the stock transmission, stock open diff front. It's got the stock turbo, but it's got a 34mm restrictor in it, as per regulation for Group N. It's got the Pelter intercom. There's more information about it online. It's a very reliable car. It's got a few little dings and battle scars and stuff like that, as could be expected. I mean, it is a rally car. It's got a sweet single exit exhaust. What else do we have? The car has run 5 races with the new engine in it, which is 2 rally stages and 3 hill climbs. The car never DNF'd. It's very reliable. It always finishes on the podium, so it's always a force to be reckoned with anytime it shows up. And it won 2011 Rallycross on Mount Washington hill climb. It's done a bunch of hill climbs. I know he's really big into that. There's not really a complete mods list on the car, other than pretty much nothing is stock. You know, a lot of these pipes are custom. I mean, the only off-the-shelf pipe he has here is a speed circuit upper pipe from back from like 2008, 2009. I know he spent about 25 grand on these coilovers. This is the real deal. If you're into rally and you're a serious rally enthusiast, this is the car you want to buy. It would probably cost you twice his asking price to build a car like this, and probably many years of sitting in a shop. It's got a full cage. It's got the Momo seats and wheel. You can climb on in. Got your gauges here. Got your emergency power cutoff. All the systems are going to go nuts because it has a standalone. I had it running in half hour ago. So the oil started to cool down, so the pressure's up again. It does have a working anti-lag system. About 17,000 miles on the car. As you can see, it doesn't really have an interior. It's just enough. Really well made custom full cage. It's got the vent in the roof. It's got the whole cage shifter. It's pretty much got no, none of the things you typically have in the dashboard. It's all bare. It's custom suede, which actually looks much blacker in real life. The video makes it look a little purple. Little anti-lag for you, going to boost and neutral. Does have a little mud in the headlight here. Crack on the bumper. Badass machine for anyone who's serious. All you need to do is pay for it, put gas in it, and start racing. I'm ready to go.